Rating scales are used to evaluate your services, products, performance, or customer satisfaction. The slider element allows your respondents to assign a rating by dragging their mouse or finger on the screen. Indicate the label of your question. What did you think of the welcome you received in the shop? You can choose minimum and maximum values for your scale. The minimum value is 1, and the maximum value has no limit. Finally, indicate the labels of your two opposite values. In the Advanced Settings tab, you can specify the interval between each value, but also the default value to be displayed. For example, a scale from 1 to 10 with not very nice and very nice labels, with a default value of 5 and increments of 1. The Net Promoter Score, or NPS, is one of the most widely used satisfaction indicators in the world. It lets you know how well your customers are willing to recommend you. It is a valuable indicator to assess your brand image. The score varies from 0 to 10, with 0 being the lowest value and 10 being the highest. The values of the NPS element are not editable in order to obtain the score, always ranging from 0 to 10. We call detractors those who range from 0 to 6, passives those who rate from 7 to 8, and promoters those who rate from 9 to 10. You can allow respondents to give a rating using a slider or digits. The rating scale allows you to request ratings by customizing the way you enter the rating, with stars, smileys, or numbers. You can choose to display from 2 to 10 grades. The CSAT element allows you to measure your customer satisfaction score. This score is used to assess your customer's satisfaction with your product or service. The CSAT is most often used after a specific interaction. A customer who has just contacted customer service will receive an email asking whether or not they are satisfied with the service they have received. It can also be used after a purchase or after a visit to a website. These examples are, of course, not exhaustive. The score is between 1 and 5, and these values cannot be modified. A dissatisfaction score includes scores of 1 to 3, and a satisfaction score of 4 and 5. You can choose to display the rating via stars, smileys, or numbers.